Today, I'm going to show you how to install additional plugins for your newly set up Discord bot. This is in relation to my video on setting up your own Discord bot without any coding. If you've not seen that video already, I suggest you watch it now. With that being said, let's jump into it. First of all, we need to head over to the repositories website and pick a plugin to install. There's so many in this list to choose from, but I found one already, so we're going to go with this Netspeed plugin. So what I'm expecting of this plugin is it's going to test the internet speed of the server that your bot is hosted on. It's just a little cool, quite simple plugin that we can use to test out in this video. So the first thing we're going to do is copy the repo link. You need to make sure you make a note of the name of the repo as well, because we're going to need to know that as well. And once you've got that written down, we can head over into Discord. And the command that we're going to run is repo add pcx cogs, case sensitive by the way, and then paste the link from earlier. And we can see that the repo has been successfully added. Next, we just need to make sure that we know what the name of the cog is. So in this case, it's called Netspeed. And once we've got that, we can run the following command to install the cog. So cog install pcx cogs Netspeed. So now it's returned and it says it's been successfully installed. So we can load the cog by doing load Netspeed. Now it's been loaded, I'm just going to bring up the help menu and see what commands we have. So it's returned and there's just one command and it's Netspeed. So let's give it a go. And there we go, we've got our Netspeed results. So we've got a 24 ping, 82 megabyte download and a 20 megabyte upload, which is not too bad for the bot. And that's it, that's all you need to do to get more third-party plugins for your bot. You just need to follow the simple process of repo add and cog install command and you should be good to go. That's it for me guys. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like. If you haven't already, check out my other video on how to set up your own Discord bot with no coding. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.